Welcome back everybody to another review. Today we're checking those budget IEMs from Moondrop. And this is a new model releasing these days. And it's called by the company Entry Level Killer, that says that their intention is to bring high performance in a low price. And this is a really nice trend happening these days in the IEM scene. So very nice of Moondrop to put this and release this model in these days. Moondrop have a entry level ear IEMs called the Quarks. But this is one step further, a higher level entry model, and it costs $20. So if we compare to the Quarks, which is really cheap, $13, so this around $20 gives you a very high performance for this kind of product. So thanks to our friends at HiFi Go, I got this package really fast. I also got this nice wood, I don't know, it's a key holder or something like this, but it looks nice, so I'm thank you for this. And let's start the unboxing of the Chu, and let's see what's inside. I can say first that in first look, I am really impressed of the design. Although it's a bad budget IEMs, you can see they really put an effort to a very pleasing package and high-end design here. So I'll take the cover up and let's see what's inside. So we're back, and I just wanted you to see the packaging inside, how it works. So as long as I won't bump my microphone, it will be fine. So this is the transparent part. You have those two windows in the front, and you put it up, pick it up like this. And here inside you can find the IEM itself. So the drivers, and you can see it very well protected. So not only that it's a stylish packaging, you can see it's well protected inside. I like the fact. So let's go further and disassemble this package. So I took the IEMs itself outside. Pretty hefty drivers. You got the typical how do you call it, Velcro tape, Moondrop branded. And we got a twisted wire here, no detachable cables, of course, in this price. An angled connector. This version is without the mic. This is the way I like it. But overall quality looks good. The wires here are really in the right amount of hardness. We got here the housing of the earphone. It's from metal. And we got this nice, you can see, I think the Chu name is from the bamboo leaves that are on the IEM itself, driver, and it looks very nice, very elegant. I like this. Also, we can find pretty clear indication of the left and right ear, so this is nice. And let's see what else we got with this package. We got a nice wallet or case for these IEMs, earphones, and it's not, the tough one, but it's really nice to have it. Looks very nice. Sure, it will protect it in some, some way. And we got this box, probably the tips inside. Let's look. So in the box, a surprise, this is over ear lids. If you don't want to put the wire, you want something to lid it. So very nice ad, and Of course, the famous spring tips from MOONDROP. So value-wise, you get a really nice package here. And if the sound is, appropriate, then you get I think the best deal in the market, as long as you like the MOONDROP sound signature. So let's take a closer look at the headphones, the IEMs. And here you can see the tips is assembled. Let's talk about some character of the sound. So let's take a look at the sound. I want to take a look at the graphs of the frequency response. So this is the graph of the Chu on the top, or the green, and you can see it's pretty much resembles the MOONDROP quarks tuning, but in this case we have more bass, we have better mids, more flat, and we have a slightly more emphasis in the trebles, so not only the peak in the 3 kHz like the quarks, but all the range from 1 kHz to 7 kHz is emphasized. Also, we got a roll off at the treble, especially after 10 kHz, but still better than the MOONDROP quarks. So there should be a nice little bit of hint of treble peaks at 9 kHz and at 12 or 13, so this should be a better response. So from what I see here, it's a slightly more aggressive quarks version, which is very good. So what I'm missing about the quarks, the bass and a little bit of treble at the top will be fixed here, and also more balanced mids. So I didn't listen to it, but the graphs looks promising. You can look at the comparison here and see what's the difference. So if the quarks are very, neutral, warming sound headphone with a slight peak at 3 kHz, and not really something to offer in the sides of the range, like high treble, high lower bass. Here we get a little bit more balanced response, and I'm very optimistic about this headphone performance. Also, the build quality here is superb. So that was the unboxing of the MOONDROP Chu. I eventually, in the coming days, will fix up my binaural recording head, so maybe you can hear the difference between the Chu and the quarks, and decide for yourself. And that's it. For you can subscribe, and I will try to make more inner, more deep review in the few days ahead. So I'll see you soon. Bye. Thanks for watching, and bye.